Here at the University of Texas at Austin School of Architecture, 14 students have been collaborating over the past 2 months in Kory Bieg's studio to digitally design and fabricate a permanent wall installation that will be placed within the newly renovated West Mall building on campus.
ONDA began with the creation of a simple two-dimensional pattern that was then layered with complexity through topography, material, color, and technology. Through the use of processing, a generative technology, students used coding to iterate through patterns within a certain set of parameters. From a final 2D pattern, a series of tests of 3D forms was then made using Grasshopper and Rhino. Manipulating the two elements created within the 2D pattern, we created intersecting topographies that drew inspiration from Austin's topography and the University of Texas campus landmarks.
ONDA embodies the capabilities of digital fabrication and celebrates not only what we can do today, but also the future capabilities of technology within architecture.